Good morning or good afternoon whenever you watch this. Today's our e-learning day or unexpected e-learning day for, what's today's date? September 27th. Mostly what I wanted to talk to you about today is this particular worksheet. I was grading it or checking it in this weekend, and I noticed some common errors. And I just wanted to make sure I adjust them before the quiz tomorrow. The quiz is not being bumped back. It will still be on Tuesday. I will answer questions on the review sheet. Actually, you know what? Let me go grab the review sheet and I'll put the answers up here. So you can check them. First, though, let me address the issues here. So if your standard negative 10 to 10, negative 10 to 10 window did not show the both points of intersection, or show the point of intersection on this one or both of them on this one, you did need to adjust the window. You will have to adjust the window to see both points of intersection on a quiz on Tuesday. So make sure you know how to do that. If you don't know how to do it, then sign up for T-Bolt time tomorrow or go to the center during your lunch period tomorrow if you can to figure this out. And then these intersection points are ordered pairs. Please write them as such. And in the directions, please pay attention to how many decimal places you are to round your answer to. Down here, these two is where a lot of errors were. Some of you got both points of intersection, or you saw that it had 2 points, but you only put one answer down here. You have to go through the process twice. And when you get to the point where it says guess, to find this one, you just have to arrow close to this point of intersection, and then you'll go through the process again, first curve, second curve, and then when it says guess, don't hit enter straight away. You have to arrow closer to this point of intersection to tell the calculator to find this one, which will give you that second point down here. Likewise, same thing on here. You needed to expand the window to get this second point of intersection. I think this one showed up at first, but the one on the left didn't show up. So you had to expand your window to see that second point of intersection. You'll have to go through that second calc menu of intersect twice. When you guess the first one, you'll have to arrow closer to over here to that point of intersection, which gives you this, negative 6.088, 15.058. And then you'll have to arrow to this one, to this second point of intersection. If you want to practice doing that, then you can pause the video and you'll be able to see this, the problem. I know you don't have the worksheets, but you'll be able to see the problem, and then you can try it yourself and make sure you can come up with the same answers that I did. Okay? Your homework for this weekend was to complete the 2.4 to 2.6 homework, the review. Let me put that review up here so you have the answers. Don't just copy this. Come on, you guys, be honest. I'm just going to go kind of fast. You can pause it where you need to see the answers there. And here's page 2. You have a problem very similar to this on the quiz. I have a feeling that some of you didn't read this table properly, that you didn't do 10 weeks, 20 weeks, 30 weeks, that maybe you went 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Make sure you're reading this appropriately and you're scrolling through that table appropriately to get these values. Our cases were all rounded off to the nearest whole number because you can't have a half of a case of a virus infection. You either have it or you don't. Okay, again, you can check those. You can pause the video to check those if I'm going too fast. And last side. You will have to do something like this on the quiz on Tuesday. I am going to ask that you do your equations in separate colors or in 2 different colors. I will have colored pencils for you to use, or you can bring your own colored pencils to use. Okay, if we use the graph here, we can estimate it's approximately around 40 weeks. If that intersection were maybe down here somewhere, I probably would have said in between 30 and 40 weeks. And then you can get the exact point of intersection on your calculator by typing each equation into y1 and y2 in your calculator and getting that exact point of intersection. Okay, again, please don't copy. If you did not finish this, this review sheet yet, please finish it, then check your answers. Have a wonderful afternoon. I will see you on Tuesday, hopefully. Bye.